According to the announcement posted on the Philippine Navy Facebook page, the Naval Task Force 82 or Oplan Pagbabalik Commander Colonel Noel Beliran together with the commanding officers of BRP Ramon Alcaraz and BRP Davao del Sur paid a courtesy call to the Royal Navy Oman represented by the head of Maritime Security Center Commodore Mansour Mohammed Al-Karusi on 9th of February 2020. From the same post, it can be seen that Consul Arvic Arevalo was also with the group during the visit.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Thursday.
At the Sultan Cabo Port in Matra, the BRP Davao del Sur and BRP Ramon Alcaraz are docked alongside other ships. These two Philippine Navy ships made a stop in Sri Lanka before heading to Oman. According to pna.gov.ph, the two ships bound for the Middle East made history as the first Filipino naval vessels to make a stop at the East Container Terminal in the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka on January 26, 2020. The Philippine news agency added that the layover was intended for refueling and reprovisioning only, but Sri Lanka desired to host it as official visit as it was the first time for Philippine Navy ships and personnel to pass the territory and traverse the Indian Ocean. Confidence-building activities were conducted during the stay of the Philippine Navy in Sri Lanka, including shipboard tour, cultural show, basketball game, and reciprocal dinners as reported by Philippine News Agency. As shared by one of the officers of the Philippine Navy with PNA, the visit to Sri Lanka was another milestone for the Philippine-Sri Lanka relations established in 1961. According to the Facebook announcement of the Philippine Embassy in Muscat, the Philippine Naval Task Force 82 is in Oman as part of the Philippine government's effort to enhance its readiness to provide assistance to Filipino nationals and interests globally. The arrival of the Philippine Navy ships in Oman is historic as it is the first time for Philippine Navy to display its presence in the region, the Philippine Embassy added. NTF 82 or the Naval Task Force 82 arrived in Oman on February 5, 2020 and were welcomed by the Philippine Ambassador to the Sultanate of Oman, His Excellency Narciso T. Castañeda. It will be recalled that the Philippine Navy ships left Manila on January 14, 2020.